In this video, I'm going to show you how to add photos to Squarespace website. So this is super simple. You want to open up the page where you want to add photos. I'm going to go with this blank page over here, which I have. And then you want to hit the edit tab up top. And then from here, of course, you want to go and add a block. So just hover over the section where you want your photos, click on add block. And here you want to click on image. If you can't see it, simply type image up top. There we go. And you want to click on it from here. Then as you can see, this is now your image block. You can position it where you want first, or just go ahead and click on the plus button to actually add it. So you can upload a file, select from library, browse stock images, or upload from mobile. You have all those four options, up to you whichever one you want to perform. It's very easy to do so. And then click on whatever. I'm going to click on upload file, and I'm going to pick one over here. I have this random AI generated photo over here, which I'm going to pick. Click on open, and there we go. As you can see, the image has been added to my website. I can go ahead and resize it. I can move it around, stuff like that, and it's gonna take a few seconds to render. There we go. I now have my image in here. Of course, you could go and add them whatever you want. You could go and also kind of align them center, or you could go ahead and align them whatever you want over here in the page. You could add links to them, etc. And yeah, that's essentially how to do it. You could also see this design here. You have like the fit, you have the fill, shape, whatever. There's a bunch of things you could do, and then customize your photos that way. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.